Google has shipped 23 AI features into Workspace in 2026 alone. Surveys show only 12% of users know about more than 3 of them. Here are the 10 best. Gmail's AI now summarizes entire email threads in one click and drafts contextual replies based on your writing style. Enable these in Settings, General AI features. Gemini and Google Docs can research topics, generate outlines, and rewrite sections in different tones. The Help Me Write sidebar is a full AI writing assistant. Type a question in natural language, and Sheets generates the formula. It also spots trends, anomalies, and creates charts automatically from your data. Google Meet now generates real-time meeting notes, action items, and can translate conversations live into 15+ languages. No third-party tools needed. Which Google AI feature surprised you the most? Comment below. Subscribe for more hidden productivity features from tools you already use.